Okay. He knows he's getting filmed, that's why. That was cool. Do it again.
We took a big piece, so we're screwed.
Oh no, see if it'll come back.
No, it won't come back.
You won't?
They'll allow us split in that big piece.